状ですけれども、
はい、
トレーナー
さあ右左さあライトがこのボワイエル突き刺さって左のボディが倒れた右から左のボディ
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Winsworld TV. So ayon sa mga boxing fans ay hindi kakayanin ni Marudjan Okmadalib itong si current undisputed and 4 World Division Champion Naoya Inoue. Dahil sa taglay nitong katangian na talagang kapag ikaw ay nataman ay tiyak may paglalagyan ka. Isa na dyan ang mapaminsalang body shot nito, na napaka-epektibo at napakalakas dahil kabisado na niya ang bawat galaw para makatama sa kanyang target, at hindi lang yan dahil gumugugol talaga ito si Naoya Inoue ng oras para mag-focus sa pagpapalakas ng kanyang pangunahing teknik, kaya ganyan kalakas ang body shot ni Naoya Inoue na kapag makatama ay tiyak mapapaluhod ang kanyang kalaban sa iniwan nitong sakit, dahil sa impact ng kanyang lakas. Sunod dyan ay ang uppercut combination, kasunod ng body shot ay madalas nating nakikita na kanyang ginagamit sa kanyang mga kalaban na naging sanhi ng pagkatumba nito. Meron ding taglay na bilis at lakas ng kaliwat kanang kamao itong si Naoya Inoue, na maski si Nonito Donaire ay umami na hindi niya alam kung saan nanggagaling ang mga suntok ni Naoya Inoue, dahil sa taglay nitong bilis. Meron din siyang teknik na single job na tila mahina lang kapag ito ay tumama, ngunit sa oras na matamaan ka nito ay talagang napakalakas ang impact. Mahalaga ang single job ni Naoya Inoue sa kanyang depensa, dahil dito ay napapanatili niya ang distansya para hindi makapasok agad ang mga suntok ng kanyang kalaban. Hindi lang yan, dahil ginagamit din niya ang kanyang job punch para ma-set up niya ang kanyang power combo uppercut and body shot. May kakayanan din si Naoya Inoue, na sumugod ng sumugod sa kalaban at handa sa anumang counter-attack para sa kanya, kaya lahat ng naging kalaban ni Naoya Inoue ay hindi nakaligtas sa kanyang mapanlinlang na estilo.
Ang kamao ni John Riel Casimero aka Cuadro Alas, angas ng Pinas ay isang malakas, mabilis, matatalim ang mga suntok kaliwat kanan. Pero meron talaga siyang super technique na hindi pa alam ng karamihan, hindi ba kayo nagtataka kung bakit napakatibay ng panga nito? Kahit ilang solidong suntok ang tumama sa pagmumukha niya ay parang hangin lang na dumaan, kayang-kaya niyang sumalo ng pinakamalakas na suntok na walang gaanong pinsala sa kanya. Ang teknik na ito ay tinatawag na sabay sa galaw ng kamao, na karaniwan natin makikita sa mga top boxers champion, isang kakayanan na sumabay sa galaw ng suntok kung paano ito tatama at kung tatama ito ay hindi gaano mapinsala, at isa na rin sa binayayaan ng estilong ito ay walang iba kundi si John Riel Casimero aka Cuadro Alas, angas ng Pinas. Si John Riel Casimero ay isang boksingero na kayang magsugal or magpain ng mukha niya sa kalaban. Para malinlang niya ang kalaban sa oras kung saan nakatutok ang kalaban niya sa mukha niya, ay isang malaking pagkakataon para kay John Riel Casimero ang mag-counterpunch ng solidong suntok sa kalaban, ang kumagit sa pain at estilo ni John Riel Casimero aka Angas ng Pinas, at tiyak na may kalalagyan, at kapag minalas-malas ay baka tulog ang abutin sa ibabaw ng boxing ring. Magaling din manghula si John Riel Casimero kung ano susunod na galawan ng kalaban, kaya madali niya itong maka-counterpunch dahilan sa pagkasira ng estilo ng kalaban. Kayang-kaya din ni John Riel Casimero dumipensa habang nakikipagsabayan sa kalaban. Madali rin mag-adjust ng estilo si John Riel Casimero, depende sa style ng kalaban. Kaya walang takot si John Riel Casimero na sumugod ng sumugod sa kalaban. Sa unang tingin ay hindi mo lubos maisip na ang pagsugod niya ay isa rin palang depensa na tiyak malilito ang kalaban at hulaan ang mga susunod niyang mga suntok. Ayon sa eksperto, si Casimero ay may estilo at pamamaraan na hindi kayang ituro sa iba. Kung sa tingin ng karamihan, ang suntok ni John Riel Casimero ay isang bahala na suntok or bara-bara, dyan kayo nagkakamali dahil isa itong estilo or tahimik na pamamaraan at susi ng isang tagumpay. Marahil alam din ng Team Inoue ang pamamaraan at estilo ni John Riel Casimero, kaya tila takot sila at ayaw nilang patulan labanan si John Riel Casimero aka Cuadro Alas, angas ng Pinas dahil sa kanyang estilo na tiyak ikatatalo nila. Dumako naman tayo sa laban ni Cuadro Alas, angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero, kung saan makikita sa laban ang kakaibang estilo niya sa pakikipaglaban. Agila ng Britanya lalaban sa pinakamaangas na boksingero ng bansang Pilipinas, isang batang Breton na mukhang kakagraduate lang ng elementarya at batang-bata pa, hindi siya natakot kalabanan ang pinakamaangas na boksingero ng Pilipinas. Ang batang Breton na ito ay nag-aangas-angasan sa pinakamaangas na boksingero ng Pilipinas, hindi niya alintana ang takot, hindi niya alam ang kanyang kalaban ay halimaw at maangas at napakalakas na boksingero ng bansang Pilipinas. Kitang-kita sa kanilang win ay talagang bata pa ang poster kumpara sa Cuadro Alas ng bansang Pilipinas, lamang naman siya sa tangkad kumpara kay John Riel Casimero. Kung makikita nyo maangas talaga ang batang Breton na ito, akala niya ay mapapatombo niya ang Cuadro Alas ng bansang Pilipinas. Bigla pang nang-asar ang batang to na tila bata kung maglaro sa hindi lubos akalain ay mas mayabang pa pala ito sa tinaguriang Cuadro Alas ng Pilipinas, walang iba kundi si John Riel Casimero. Kalmado lang dito si Cuadro Alas ng Pilipinas dahil hindi pang asar ang labanan pagtapak na nila sa ibabaw ng boxing ring. Unang round ay tila agresibo ang Breton na ito, maganda ang poster pagdating sa depensa, habang si Cuadro Alas ay tila nangingilates at sinusukat muna kung gaano kalakas at kabilis ang Breton na ito.
Casimero, vast comfortable, knowing he hasn't been in with the quality as a professional at this level. Right hand already, the mobility, Dave.
He'd use the height, the reach, everything he needs to do in this. But once that's expected, I thought he'd take, look, another right hand. I was expecting it to be a little bit more comfortable early doors for Charlie.
Yeah, and Casimero, he could be mistaken for 16 or 17, and maybe he fit for the fight. Oh, and then big right hand, nice right hand there by
Round 4, ay tila umiinit na si Cuadro Alas John Riel Casimero at mukhang kabisado niya na ang galawan ng batang Breton na ito, dito na nagpakawala si Casimero ng mababangges na suntok, at kitang-kita din sa boksingerong Breton ang mukha ng pagkatakot matapos malasahan ang maiinit na suntok ni Cuadro Alas, yanag ang mukha at katawan niya sa sobrang lakas ni John Riel Casimero.
And he's ready for anything Charlie Edwards can throw at him. He was saying himself, Casimero, that he was once like Edwards, and he admires his ambition in taking this chance, but it's just too early.
It's here at the O2, but there's nothing like that's going to happen. So.
Big right hand again, he tries City. And just started to dig in some body shots, really winging them. You see, big uppercut, and Edwards felt that. And that's a brain stoppages he has, and that's a body shot, which is going to...
Yeah, that's a fantastic uppercut he catches him with.
Yeah. And he set him up. He noticed as Charlie kicks back and away, he dips down. And right there, he got him to back away the same way and then rip that uppercut.
I'll tell you what, Charlie Edwards showed a good chin to say that. That's one box that would take it. That could have put him
Because he dipped right into it.
Yeah.
Dipping right into the
Clean.
uppercut.
He recovered really well.
And Casimero knew that dip was coming.
But the worrying thing for me, other than the uppercut, Edwards are getting caught with a lot of shots.
Round 7, nakapasok ang solidong suntok ni Cuadro Alas sa bagitong, boksingerong Breton, na tila ramdam na ng Breton ang epekto ng malalakas na suntok ni Cuadro Alas, todo iwas at yakap na lang ang boksingerong Breton sa pinakamaangas na boksingero ng bansang Pilipinas.
He's getting it now. Why? He went first to Amnon Ruarong in June last.
It makes his way a little bit easier.
A little bit of time ago by Steve Gray, but he's starting to just get through, and Edwards felt that. Oh, big shots here from Casimero, and Charlie Edwards has to hold on and cling, and has he got the experience and knowledge and know how to do it? He keeps ducking the same way. Casimero knows he keeps throwing the uppercut. Charlie has to make an adjustment in the way he's in the floor. Open glove, and what happens? You'll catch the uppercut at least. Big hooks going in from Casimero, who feels he's more powerful, stronger, and in charge.
Round 8, dito nalalabas ang pagkahalimaw ni Cuadro Alas, isang nakakatakot na Cuadro Alas, dahil kapag nanggigil na si Cuadro Alas sa kalaban niya at hindi na niya ito palalampasan, bawat bato niya ng suntok ay talagang solid at napakatalim na kapag ikaw ay matamaan ay tiyak eendahin ng katawan.
Casimero was actually doing it to him there. Big right hand. It's another one. Oh, and he's just gripping down on that gum shield, Charlie Edwards. And all the out, but this is real, and this is world.
Round 10, ang maangas na batang Breton na ito ay tila nakita ang sobrang dami ng stars kahit hindi pa ito nakatingala sa langit.
Good right hand from Edward. You struggled when you were in that division.
When I boxed, now it...
Oh, beautiful shot. Walk into it. Straight into it. And he's hurt badly. And he tried everything. That left hook, though. You hook with a hooker, right? Well, they say don't hook with a hooker.
You know, the thing is, he got up, he still got up from that shot. That shows, you know, what kind of kid this is. You know, he's had a rough few rounds, but he's nailed, and he's still got up trying to win this fight. I take my hat off to him. He'll come again. This will do him the world of good. There's a lot of things to learn in experience, and he will come again.
Terrific character from Charlie Edwards. Education may be a painful one tonight, but he took that opportunity, and you've got to say that John Riel Casimero did his job as champion. Very well to recover. He's brave. He gets to his feet, his legs have gone. He's been asked to walk forward. Steve Gray's giving him every opportunity. Casemiro wants to get on with it. There's over a minute left. Does he have the experience to hold? Can he recover from that? I don't think so.
With his heart on his sleeve all night. It is not always that we win our first world title shot, but it doesn't mean you're not going to come back and win a world title again.
Thank you for watching, and once again this is Winsworld TV, saying peace, love and good vibes lang tayo lagi. Okay, alright.
Doesn't have the experience.